Welcome to Jordan Morrison Racing. I love cars, motorbikes, anything with an engine.
Morning, Adzy.
Morning.
Morning, Johnson.
Morning.
Hey up, guys. So it's second day at Blyton Park today. Hopefully a better day compared to yesterday and coming off a bike. But both the lads are down, so it should be a good day, really. You're on the 750, aren't you?
Yep.
What are you on, Johnson?
Aprilia, RSV4.
Ooh, should we go and have a look? While I'm fucking limping. Feeling really sorry for myself, and I'm getting no sympathy off these idiots. Whoa, look at her. Looking like a nice sunny day, so fingers crossed the weather stays like this and we'll have a good time. Just gonna get some breakfast on the go and crack on. Catch you in a bit.
Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. I've been staying strong on my feet, keeping my heels below my knees, but I can't help feeling weak. Every day I wake up, it's harder to breathe. We've been on the same grid, but you feel so distant. It's a distance that's killing my vision. I can't see a way, making it through this. So tell me you feel the same. Can we just skip to the end? I just wanna feel again. I think we've been moving too fast. I just wanna relax. I just wanna relapse. Just wanna think we've been moving too fast. I can't really keep up. I just wanna relapse. Just wanna
What time is it? Time?
10:30.
Right, so we're on a loose cannon track day, and the difference today is we've already been out, done 3 sessions, and it's only been an hour. We started at 9, it's now 10 o'clock, so we've got some decent sessions in. I think everyone's knackered already. So yeah, we're going to jump back out. Johnson's having a whale of a time. Adam's frustrated at his bike. I'm just shit. But it's all good. Enjoying it, and yeah, we'll crack on and see how it goes. Have a smile at least, Matt. that's the second day today with Loose Cannon Track Days, and I've had massive help off Jimmy. I've had the boys here today, which has been fantastic, and I've just built up confidence. And yeah, I just want to say thanks to these lot for taking the time really to actually learn with me. I think it's been great because I'm a novice. I didn't think I'd get as much help as I have, and I think we've come on leaps and bounds, haven't we, from coming here in the morning, having an off, telling me to get back on the bike, keep your confidence up, and then yesterday was a learning day, and then today we've just progressed and pushed it a bit more. And I don't want to blow my own trumpet, but I have progressed, haven't I?
Yeah.
That's it really. So, that's it. I feel comfortable on the bike, and I can't wait to get to the next one. What's your next then?
Back here on 22nd.
Right, okay.
Then we're out to Three Sisters.
Three Sisters. So you do here, Blyton Park, we're here, Darley Moor, Three Sisters, Landau, and yeah, so all over they do the track day. So I suggest if you're watching this, you're thinking of doing your first one, or you've done the No Limits, the MSV days, come and have a look at Loose Cannon, because honestly, I couldn't be any more thankful for the help today. It's been absolutely fantastic.
Pleasure.
Thanks a lot.
Moving too fast.
Real shit, I ain't got a lot to say. These games that we play only make our hearts ache, and we act like we ain't asked for this pain, and we act like we were willing to change, knowing damn well that we weren't, knowing damn well that we are cursed, knowing damn well how bad it hurts to expose yourself. Someone's too immersed in their own pain to go and fucking feel yours. If my heart wasn't broke, I'd have gladly healed yours, but this ain't real love. We are just children pretending to be grown, so maybe we can feel love, but this ain't that. It's delayed indifference, and I wish it was different, but it just isn't. We're both looking outside.